Good morning, grade 10 student. We have another lesson today, carbon and carbon cycle. The carbon cycle moves between a compounds in atmosphere, living things, the soil and the oceans. It is a non-stop journey that is called carbon cycle. Look at this figure. Plants produce carbon dioxide, and from plants feeding these animals and carbon compounds in animals also when they respire, and then they produce carbon dioxide, and death and decay of these animals and these plants, you will get bacteria feeds on dead animals and plants, and during this process they respiration in all living things, they produce carbon dioxide in air. And we will use this carbon dioxide for photosynthesis process also, and by carbon compounds in plants we produce the fossil fuels, coal, petroleum and natural gas. When we burn these fossil fuels, then we produce also burning of fuels, we produce carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide dissolve in oceans, and carbon dioxide in oceans again we will produce fossil fuel, and then fossil fuel again burn, and then they produce carbon dioxide. This is the cycle about carbon. See here the explanation. First, the carbon cycle describe what you are going to learn from this cycle. It will describe the movement of carbon between the sea, land and atmosphere. It means we have three factors here. In atmosphere, the main sources of carbon is carbon dioxide. What are the sources of carbon dioxide? Combustion of fossil fuels, you see above and you know about this equation. Second one, respiration, production of energy from the living things, and decomposition of limestone, and reaction of acid with carbonates. These 4 points are the sources of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. The removal of carbon dioxide from atmosphere, how we will remove if we want to clean our climate, how we will remove. Here first is photosynthesis. It is a process, process of producing glucose and oxygen from carbon and water in plants. Carbon dioxide react with water, they produce glucose and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and the light. We call photosynthesis. Second, when carbon dioxide dissolve in water, in sea and oceans, it is removed by shellfish for making their calcium carbonate shells. So we have two ways how to remove. Balancing the carbon, this is the explanation as I explained above. Carbon as a carbonate, carbon dioxide and organic compounds is present in the sea and air and under the earth. There is a continuous cycle of these compounds between these sources of called carbon cycle. So what are the main compounds to create this carbon cycle? Sea, air and earth. There is a constant amount of carbon compound in the sea, atmosphere and under the earth. As long as these are balanced, the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere remain constant. Scientists are worried that increase the amount of fossil fuel burn will increase the global warming and unbalance the carbon cycle. This is all about the carbon cycle. And here finally we have methane. Its formula is CH4. It is found in a gas deposited in the ocean's floor and the land on land as a natural gas. It also formed whereas the bacteria break down plants materials. In the absence of air, we can get paddy field, swamps and the landfill sites. We will get carbon and hydrogen, and this is called methane, CH4. Some animals give out the methane as a waste gases. They include cattle, sheep, goats, camel and buffalo, Bacteria in their stomachs helps to break down grass and other foods, giving a methane is one of the products. So these 3 points are sources of methane. Methane is an organic compound. We study in alkane also. And organic compounds all contain carbon and most contain hydrogen. Some contains element like a sulfur and nitrogen too. Many more are found there in derived from the living things. Methane is the simplest organic compound. The first organic compound you can see, you can call. There are a millions more far more than all the inorganic compounds. They include the proteins, carbohydrates, fats in your body, hundreds of different compounds in petroleum and coal, plastic and medical drugs made from the compound in petroleum, and this is the uses of methane, where carbon dioxide, the fire extinguisher spray out carbon dioxide gas, and this will not burn in the atmosphere of carbon dioxide. What are the sources of methane? First 3, and it is organic compound. This is all about the methane and carbon cycle. Hope you will understand. See you next class.